In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a main Notion workspace for your startup. The goal here is to build a clean, practical setup that helps your team stay organized from day one. Instead of scattering information across different tools and disconnected pages, you'll create one central workspace where planning, communication, and execution can all live together. Start by creating your main Notion workspace for the startup. This will be the home base for everything your company needs internally. Keep the workspace name simple and easy to recognize so your team immediately knows they're in the right place. Once that's ready, begin shaping it around the way your startup operates so it feels intuitive as you grow. Next, add a company dashboard for important links and updates. This dashboard should act like the front door of your workspace. When someone opens Notion, this is the page that helps them quickly find what matters most. Include space for key links, internal resources, and company updates so everyone has a reliable place to check for current information. A strong dashboard reduces confusion and saves time, especially as the team gets busier. After that, create databases for projects, tasks, team members, documents, and meetings. This is where your workspace starts becoming truly useful. Projects give you a high-level view of what the company is working on. Tasks help break that work into manageable actions. A team member database makes responsibilities and ownership clearer. A documents database helps store and organize important files and references. And a meetings database gives you a place to track agendas, notes, and follow-ups. Together, these databases make it much easier to keep work visible and connected. Once your project database is in place, add project statuses like planning, active, blocked, and completed. These statuses help your team understand progress at a glance. Planning is for ideas and upcoming work. Active is for projects currently in motion. Blocked highlights anything stalled, and completed gives you a record of what's been finished. Keeping statuses consistent makes reporting and decision-making much easier. Then create pages for your product roadmap, hiring, fundraising, and operations. These are core areas for most startups, and each one deserves its own dedicated space. Your product roadmap can track priorities and direction. Hiring can support recruiting and team growth. Fundraising can organize investor-related materials, and operations can house internal processes and systems. Next, share the right pages with team members. Not everyone needs access to everything, so be thoughtful about permissions. Giving people access to the pages relevant to their role keeps the workspace focused and easier to navigate. Finally, use Notion as the central hub for startup planning and execution. The more consistently your team uses it, the more valuable it becomes. Keep it updated, keep it clear, and let it serve as the shared system your startup can rely on every day.